Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. So we are connecting today, and it's very happy to connect with every one of you. Yeah. So very good afternoon to every one of you. So let's start with the Q&A, and you can ask anything, whether it's a functional question or it's a technical question, or it's a query related to your career, any query related to the software testing, anything, job opportunities. You can ask anything, right? So let us start. Okay, we have got the questions. Okay, so the first question is from Srinivas. So the question is, sir, playwright with JavaScript and playwright with TypeScript, which one has more openings and future? Okay. So the question is if the playwright with TypeScript or playwright with JavaScript is more good. So I would suggest you learn playwright with JavaScript and with respect to future or with respect to current market as well. See, the market is of test automation, right? You should know automation testing. You should know fundamentals of testing. At the same time, you should also understand that manual testing is something that is also important. You might not see the job opportunities of manual testing, but people who would be joining as an automation testers, they would be getting some kind of task or some kind of work with respect to manual testing. Also, they would be able to do automation testing because they know manual testing. So automation testing is important, and with respect to that, any tools that you learn, playwright, selenium, both the tools are in demand. So that you can take. Playwright with JavaScript you can take. Apart from that, you can go for Selenium with Java. That is also good, right? If you want to go for any further opportunities like data science, or if you want to go for further tools like data analysis, to do data analysis or to become a data analyst, then you have to learn Python as a programming language, right? Okay, yeah, I'm good, Tamilan. How are you? So Mayank is asking, I'm learning Python as of now. What is the best for learning automation with this language? So I would suggest, see, you can learn Python. That's also fine. The market is more looking for the candidates with Selenium with Java or Selenium with Python is also fine. If you know Python, any one of the programming language, you can switch to another programming language, right? Later on in the company, you might see the project has been developed in Selenium with Java. Then you will have to do that, right? There's no other option for that. So don't worry whether it's Python, whether it's JavaScript, whether it's uh, Java, right? Learn any one of the language and learn either Selenium or Playwright, any one of the two. Okay. Tamilan is asking, hi sir, I know automation testing and I'm good at programming. How can I become an SDET? So in order to become an SDET, you need to solve few of the programs, and I would suggest few of the complexity based programs from the Lead Code website, or try solving the code from the Hacker Rank website, because in the product based companies, when you would be going for the SDET opportunities, they will be giving you the questions from these websites only. So if you can have good fundamental knowledge of DSA as well, and apart from that, you know about DevOps, CI/CD pipelines. So Selenium is one thing, but apart from that, you need to have the knowledge on DevOps, CI/CD pipeline. Then it would be easy for you to survive in the IT market, right? Uh, Ashutosh, why ISTQB is important? So ISTQB is good if you are looking to switch from non-IT to IT, right? Then ISTQB would be useful. If you are someone who is having 1 or 2 years of experience in testing and you want to grow in the career of testing, you can go for ISTQB. Right. Ganesh is asking, is there any chances of getting more calls in upcoming days? Yes, definitely. More and more calls will be coming, right? So definitely, the job market has opened, and people are getting the calls. People have started getting shortlisted as well, right? There was one of my subscriber. There is one of my subscribers. She gave an interview. In the first interview itself, she got selected. So I would be uploading the success story in this particular week, in on Tuesday itself, right? So you can watch that success story. You get a lot of idea. Faisal is asking, I have 3 years of experience purely manually, so learn automation, Faisal, right? Shri is telling, I am learning now Selenium. Okay, great. Junaid, when we will receive more calls? So calls are coming to most of the students, to most of the candidates. I am seeing calls have started itself. People are getting the calls, and not only that, but if you know automation, if you know automation skill set along with UI automation, API automation, definitely you would get more and more calls. Sachin is asking, I have career gap of 2 years and not getting any calls. What to do? So Sachin, I would suggest then you go for some kind of certification, or you add some work in your Git profile and add that Git URL into the resume. That would be good, right? Try getting into touch with some of the people on LinkedIn. They will refer you. Try in some small scale startup based companies where they don't see much of the gaps, so you can apply there. Okay, Rohit is telling, sir, how is the scope for performance testing? So it's good, and you can prepare for that in 1.5 month. Yeah, hi Ram, how are you? Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Okay, fine. So there is a virtual walk-in drive, which is happening. So let me give you the update for that as well. Okay, and meanwhile, I would also share the uh, positions with you with respect to one of the company. So people who are from Pune, they can join this company at EXL, and here are the referral details also. So the entire message will not go. Okay, so designation is given, right? Notice period is also given, and okay, so this is the referral based position for people who are in Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. So you can apply to this particular position. They are looking for both automation as well as manual testers, right? Junaid, you can also apply to this particular position. Ankita is asking, are there any remote opportunities for automation testing? Yes, you'll find a lot on LinkedIn. I'm continuously posting on LinkedIn, Ankita. So you can get in touch with us on LinkedIn. Right. Preeti is telling, sir, I have 2 years of experience in manual automation. How much salary should I expect? So, Preeti, in which location you are in? If you are in Bangalore, you can expect somewhere between 6 to 10 LP. If you are in a non metro city, you can, okay, you are in Bangalore. Yeah, so that would be good. Anjana is asking, I have 4 years of experience in manual. I want to switch as an automation tester. Should I add a fake experience as automation tester? It depends. If you have got good skill set, if you have got real time knowledge, if you have got hands-on experience, right, you can take that risk. But it depends. See, sometimes you might get caught as well, right? So I would suggest, Anjana, you book a call on TalkMate for one is to one career guidance. I would be able to assist you more over there, right? Because there are times when some individuals want to take this risk. So I would suggest you book a call on TopMate, and here is the link for that, and we'll connect for the same, right? Meanwhile, sorry, there were people who were asking if I have some HR contact list from different companies. So you can take use this list, right? It has got various contact list email addresses from different companies, right? This is a top mate product. You can use this particular product, right, to avail the different email addresses from different people, HRs. And at the same time, if you want to add the resume, if you want to add some of the projects to your resume and you're not getting an idea for the same, so I have created one ATS friendly resume template. Let me share the screen with you so that it becomes easy for you to understand, right? So this is an ATS friendly resume template, in which what we have done is we have actually created an ATS resume which would be helpful to you since you are applying for many job opportunities. So you might not be getting calls, but if you go with this resume template, you include the projects, it would be easier for you to get selected. So it's very important. Okay, screen was not visible. Okay, let me try once again. Blank screen was there. Okay, fine, fine. Let me share once again. Okay, now I hope screen is visible, right? So this is an ATS friendly resume template with the projects. Every time the people who are applying for the software testing jobs, they are not keeping any kind of projects in their resume. So projects are very important. Based on the projects, the interviewers or the recruiter or the hiring team will come to know whether your resume should be getting shortlisted or not. So this is the digital product. You can avail this particular product on the TopMate itself. So I'll be sharing this link in the chat box, so you can use this particular TopMate link. Okay, Kapil is telling, I recently joined a company with 1.2 lakh CTC. Is it 1.2 or you want to write 12 lakh CTC? Right, it's just a decimal thing there. If it's 12 lakh, then let's party, right? Mayank, recently I have given interview for testing in PSU and got the offer, but I'm currently working in private IT MNC, which is better. Please suggest. New offer is giving me 40% off hike. What is PSU? What kind of company is that, and in which company currently you're working? So it depends on that as well, right, Mayank? Madhur, is one page CV considered good for 8 years of experience? I recently changed it to one page and added keywords. Fine. See, Madhur, since you have 8 years of experience, you can keep 2 pages, but not more than that. So 1 or 2 pages is sufficient, right? Don't increase in that. And if you want to get some idea, you can book a call for the resume review, right? We can connect on TopMate for the same. So let me share the link for resume review as well, right? So that we can connect. So TopMate is actually one of the platform wherein you can connect with me, and if you want to have resume review, if you want to have a career guidance, we can connect, right? Even you can book the slots on mock interview for that as well, right? Okay, offer from Ritz Limited. So Ritz Limited, is that a startup based company? Okay, let me search and let me give you the update. Since you have joined this okay, Kapil is telling it's 1.2 Sarji, not what well. Okay, fine, Kapil, no worries. See, you are starting with 1.2 lakh. That's a very good thing. There are so many people out there who don't have job, right? So it's a very good package, and I am sure that one day you would be reaching till 12 lakhs as well, right? So don't worry, Kapil. So Kapil, please share your success story with us, right? Drop us an email at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com with your contact details, and we will connect with you. So Ritz Limited is actually this government office. Looks like. Mayank, is this a government office? Ritz Limited. Mayank. Yes, yes, Vishnuvardhan, we can do one mock interview without uploading on the YouTube channel. You just book on the top meet, right? So, Mayank, if it's a government-based job, then join that government-based job, right? It's a good thing, right? At least you won't have a lot of stress from the companies, right? It's a government-based jobs, so projects you would be getting from the government itself, and the jobs would be secured, stable, right? So go for it, right? But then at the same time, also do check that. The kind of the job that you are having is not a contractual job, it's not a contract based job, it's a full time job opportunity, right? Okay, okay, what is PSU? Let us search for that as well. PSU. Okay, PSU is public sector undertakings in India are government owned entities. Okay, I think PSU is also fine, Ritz is also fine, not an issue, right? Both looks good, Ritz as well as PSU. Now see how much hike you are getting and which job is more stable, right? Okay, Junaid is telling can move in different city, but I am currently in Pune. So in Pune itself, you'll get a lot of job opportunities, right? Junaid, Shubham, should I join product-based startup? They use different framework, JavaScript, Test Cafe. I work on Java Selenium. Should I think about this? What is the future of the framework? So it's a good thing. See, whichever frameworks you will learn, it's fine. You learn JavaScript, Test Cafe. You work over there for 9 months, 1 year, and you switch, right? You know Selenium with Java. That's a good thing. If you know now, see what other skills you can take in, get from the market, right? and whenever you will be switching, you'll be getting the hike as well. So think on those bases as well. Okay. Jayant, I'm having knowledge on UI automation using Selenium Java and hands-on with simple websites, but I want to know how automation happens and any real-time projects to work on. So Jayant, I'm starting a new batch from next weekend onwards. It would be a weekend-driven batch on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We would be connecting for one hour, and totally we would be connecting for 20 to 25 sessions like this. It would be covering the hybrid framework with uh, the latest tools and technologies. If you are interested, you can drop us an email at this particular email address, rdautomationlearning at the rate of gmail.com, right? And you can enroll for that batch. But the prerequisite for that batch is you should know Java, right? If you know Java, you would be able to do the automation. Avdut, manual testing openings hai kya sir? Yes, there are manual testing openings, but most of the openings are for automation testing. So if you know automation, you would be able to do manual as well, right? Uh, MD is telling, sir, I am currently working on payment gateway module, and my skill set are manual testing, database testing, API testing, but I don't have an idea how to explain this project to the interviewer. So it's a payment gateway module, so you can explain about what kind of different features are there, what kind of domain is it. Is it an e-commerce domain? Is it a, finance fintech based domain? So what kind of domain is that? You can explain about what are your roles and responsibilities. You can explain how do you start your day. So those kind of things you can explain, right? Okay, Mayank. So if you don't want to travel, then I would suggest take that decision accordingly, right? So be with your family, right? The family also needs you. So accordingly, you have to take the decisions, right? And please don't forget to hit the like button because I'm giving the answers of so many questions, right? So at least hit the like button, right? Okay, fine. Okay, Shubham is telling how much package should I expect for 4 years of experience QA automation engineering. Okay, so if you have 4 years of experience and if you are from Bangalore, Pune, you can expect somewhere around 15 to 20 LP, right? Daya Sagar is asking Infosys or PwC, which one is better to join with the same package for 4 years of experience? Go for PwC and also share your success story with us, right? Share your contact details with us at rdautomationlearning at the rate of gmail.com. I would be happy to connect with you, right? And it would be really good to share your success story, to share your success things with the community because the community would get a guidance, right? So please come forward to share your success story. MD, sir, is there any chance to give the mock interview? Yes. So if you want to give the mock interview, you can book the slots here. So let me share those slots with you, right? So this is the link of the mock interview. You can apply over here, right? Okay, then there's a question. I am a quality engineer. Is it good to join the startup with 50 people? I received offer letter. Yeah, you can join. See, you if you don't have any job, you join in a company which is having 20 people, 50 people. You join. You work over there for 1 year. Then you switch to the MNC company, right? It's better to do the job. It's better to get the experience rather than sitting idle at home, right? Swaroop, hi sir. As we are seeing so many companies laying off the employees, AI getting icon automation should get unskilled AI. So the layoffs are happening. It is happening because of um, the structural changes, or I would say, not a proper planning that is done in the organization. That's why the layoffs happen. So I would suggest you don't worry about AI. AI will not be able to replace the testers. As an automation tester or a manual tester, AI will not be able to do that work what you people are doing, right? So don't worry, and you should always look forward towards the future, right, with a positive aspect. Use AI for your tools, use AI for increasing your productivity. Don't worry about anything else, right? Ramme is telling, can I join a contract to hire position in Infosys? Yes, yes, you can join. uh, Ravi, sir, nowadays AI agents can be installed in our local machine, which can automate using prompt. How much they are secure, as we don't know in the internal. So these are still the preliminary things, right? These are still the things that are at a very basic stage, right? The things that you have automated, the framework perspective, those things are very important. No, such kind of AI, such kind of agents still have not been developed in the market. So don't worry. Even if they will be developed, still the automation testers would be required, because there is a lot of work that the people, this human mind can do, that is still not done by the AI, right? So don't worry. Okay, then there's one more question. If I want to switch to QA but have no experience and passed out years 2017, currently in family business, what is the scope and roadmap? So 2017 to 2025, it's been 8 years. So either you can look for a small scale company or a startup based company in which you would be hired on the basis of referral basis only. If you know someone in that company, you would be hired. Otherwise, the chances are very less with 8 years of gap, right? Gautam is asking, sir, I have 90 days of notice period. Now, current organization is telling me to get layoff. What I need to do? So, if they are telling you to get laid off, that's fine. You can put down your papers, but at the same time, ask them to give you the 3 months package, 3 months of salary package, so that it becomes easier for you to manage the finances till you get the uh, work, right? And if you are getting laid off, let me know. I'll share the documents, the digital products free of cost with you, right? This for everyone. Whomsoever are getting laid off, whomsoever are getting these kind of setbacks in their career, contact us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com. Just share the screenshot of your layoff letter, and I'll assist you with all the digital products, all the mock interviews free of cost. Will not charge anything from you, right? Don't worry. Nistray, you have got a very good color, yellow color. Hmm? Working as a manual tester, Nistray, for 1 year in a product-based finance company, looking to switch. How to find finance domain companies, and should I choose product or service-based company? Go for product-based companies. Product-based companies are much better. History, right? Mm, okay, sir. I gave almost 5 interviews and I received 3 offer letters. I don't know why nowadays company more focus on manual instead of automation due to a. So they'll be focusing on both manual plus automation. Also, I would request you to come forward and share your contact details at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, so we can cover your success story. We'll have more discussion, what kind of companies you're getting, what kind of offer letters you're getting. Right? I'll be happy to discuss those things with you. Gautam is asking, what's the career in the testing? So with respect to testing, the career would be good, right? You don't have to worry about anything. Testing would always be in demand. Definitely you would need a lot of people would need a lot of testers, because a lot of softwares are coming to the market. You see, even if you want to order a food, we have an app for that. If you want to order, sorry, a cab, we have a software for that. So since all these things are going on, definitely the testing would be into the demand in the future as well. So don't worry, right? I want to have a career guidance call with you. Okay, so here is the link for career guidance. You can book the call here, Madhur, right? We can discuss in detail with respect to the career guidance. It would be a 30 minutes of call, right? And it would be charged at 199. How to find a product based finance company? So don't search for a product based finance company. I would suggest you search for a product based company. If you are in the domain of finance right now, you should see that you should be able to switch your domain to some other thing, right? If you will continue working in the same domain, it you won't get to learn anything new, right? So it's very important. Mm, Avantika, how to handle 90 days of notice period? So in order to handle 90 days of notice period, you first update your Naukri profile to 30 days or 45 days. Start doing the interviews. See how many interviews you are able to clear. What is the scope of increment? Which are the areas where you need the improvement? Those all things are very important. Once you feel you are able to clear the interviews, then you can resign from your current company, provided you have good financial backups. Sagar, yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Sagar. Yeah. Mayank, my wife has done BSc, MSc, and B.Ed and want to switch to IT. Could you please suggest some course or roles to apply which she can apply and pursue right now? So I would suggest Mayank, if possible, let us connect for one mock interview with her, so I can come to know what kind of testing is she interested. Has she done manual testing? Does she have knowledge on Java? Right. So we can connect for one or two mock interviews. I'll come to know about her, and accordingly I'll be able to suggest. With respect to courses and with respect to roles, I would suggest she can go for the roles of software testing, right? No doubt about that. And with respect to courses, with respect to package, I would suggest you avail this package, which would help her a lot in the testing preparation. So this is a package which has got all kinds of testing interview questions and answers, right? So you can avail this package. Satish, I'm seeing job opportunities for Selenium with Python as well compared to Selenium with Java. I have experience with Selenium Java. Should I switch to Selenium? No, no, not at all required. Don't worry about those things. Sure, Sagar, I'll try, but actually we can have live sessions once in a week, right? It would be difficult to have multiple live sessions. Uh, Mahinder is telling I have attended two rounds in Infosys, but there is no response from HR. I am really worried. It's nearly 12 days, but I was not rejected, showing decision pending. So, Infosys process is very slow. It would take some time, but stay in the hope of getting a call from them, right? What I mean to say is you parallelly try in other companies as well, right? Because it might happen, they might give you a call back, they might not. Then later on, the gap is increasing, right? So you have to parallelly you have to try in other companies as well. Avantika, sir, I have 2.6 years of experience, but most of the jobs ask for minimum 3 to 5 years. And Avantika, as far as I believe, you asked the same question of 90 days. So 3 months plus 2.6 is 3 years almost. So you can try with 3 years of jobs itself, Avantika, right? You can try for 3 to 5 years of experience job opportunities, Avantika, right? Kalyani, I'm 4 plus years of manual testing experience. I want to switch from manual to automation. Suggest me good approach: Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, or performance testing. Let's go for Selenium. If you know Java, you can join the weekend batch that we are going to start from the next week itself, in which I'll be focusing on 20 to 25 real-time project related sessions, in which you will get a lot of idea with respect to automation testing, right? Uh, Ram is asking how is the hiring in April? Yes, it's really good, right? And how is the market for Selenium with Java for experienced people? It's very good. Recently, one of my subscriber got 220% of hike as well, right? It's a great thing. Uh, Gautam is asking, I have an offer from an MNC company. They took all my documents on Thursday. When is it possible to receive the final offer from them? So Thursday. After that, it was a Friday, and now it's weekend. So next week, maybe you'll get call on Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, hi Piyush. Because how to get more call for experience purpose? So update your profile on Naukri, update your profile on LinkedIn, right? Those would be important for you. Yeah. So many questions have been answered. There has been almost 30 minutes. We have been live, right? So please hit the like button, right? And right, if you feel you want to contribute towards this particular channel, you can contribute, right, by we have got super chat examples as well, right? So we can on that. Okay, and meanwhile let me create a poll for the people. So right? So if you want to avail these MNC based company questions, right? If you are looking for automation based interview questions and answers, right? You can avail this digital product. It's available on TopMate, right? You can avail it today itself. I'm putting the link in the poll so you can, right? Yes, Akash is asking, I purchased your automation interview questions. If I am prepared, those is just enough. Yes, yes, that would be much enough, right? So those are automation testing questions which would be asked to you with respect to Selenium with Java. If anyone needs Selenium and Python, that also you can get on the TopMate itself, right? So you can get all those things. Uh, Yeah, Gotham API testing course is not there, but API test automation would be included in this in this weekend batch, right? Along with UI automation, it would be included, right? So don't worry. Both UI automation plus API automation, real time projects we would be doing. We would be having 20 to 25 sessions in that. And if you need more details, you can send us an email at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com with your contact details. So would assist you on that. Okay, so right, so you are someone is looking for MNC based interview questions and answers. So here is a link for that, right? So here is a link for that. How much of DSA should I be doing recently, just in case in an interview with Cars 24, I was asked questions about trees, medium level lead code. Yeah. So with respect to DSA, I would say you should be preparing trees, queues, stack, collections, right? Then even oops concepts would be asked to you. So those all things you have to cover, right, from the DSA perspective. And if you are preparing for DSA perspective, I would suggest you prepare from Lead Code website, or you prepare from Hacker Rank website, because generally in the interviews you will be given the questions from this website and you would be asked to solve them. So you focus on these particular things, right? And apart from that, we also have one more channel in which we are uploading the videos with respect to the Java interview based questions and answers. So you can use that particular channel as well for your preparation. So I'll send the link in the uh, chat box itself. So here's a link for that channel, right? Yeah, so fees for courses. So the courses which we would be going for, the prerequisite is you should know Java, right? If you know Java, then I would be teaching you further with respect to the test automation, how to create the framework, how to work on that framework, what are the different aspects of that framework, right? How to do API automation, how to do UI level of automation, how to answer the questions in an interview, mock interviews, resume review, all those things would be a part of these sessions, right? So 20 to 25 sessions would, and we would be charging 12,000 for that, right? Can we get more job calls for manual testing in April, May, June month? So manual testing job calls will not come because people who would be hired for automation, they would be doing this manual testing as well. There, Sagar, I received an offer letter from PwC and Infosys for the same joining date. Shall I accept both the offer letter now and later? So, accept both the offer letters now, and later on you reject one of them. Okay. I would also request you, there, Sagar, if you can come forward and share your success story with us. Okay, Mohammed is asking, sir, I have 4.5 years of work experience. My tech stack is Java. Current CTC is uh, right. So, what is your current CTC? 10 LP. How much package can I expect after switch? So after you switch, you can expect to 15 to 12 LPA, right? If you are in the cities like Bangalore, Pune, metro based cities, you can expect up to that. Okay, Apna channel. What is Apna channel? Yeah, can you please elaborate what is Apna channel? Sir, I have 2.8 years of experience. I want to take a gap year. After that, I can. So take a gap, but of a year it would be too long, right? I would suggest you have a gap of maybe 3 months, 4 months, but then you restart your career, right? Bhuvana, I am having 3 years of experience, but I have don't have receive any calls, and my notice period is 90 days. Yes, so 90 days of notice period. I have already explained, Bhuvana. You can refer the earlier live session today, right? Yes, yes, Mohammed. You can get QA jobs outside India as well. You can search on LinkedIn. You'll get the jobs outside India as well. With just 6 months, you cannot switch to performance testing, right? You have to have a good experience with respect to performance, right? With 6 years, it would be very difficult. Sorry, with 6 months, it would be difficult, right? I would suggest you learn automation and then you switch on that. Right? That would be more beneficial for you. Okay, HR based context from different company. Okay, let me share that link again. So here is the link of the HR based context from different companies. You can avail this link. Yeah, you can take a gap, but don't take big gap. Otherwise, after that, it would be difficult to get the job opportunity again. Right? Don't take big gaps in IT. Manikanta, please answer to my question. But Manikanta, where have you posted your question? Matthew is telling I'm a manual tester. Is everywhere automation is needed now. Uh, I'm not good at programming. I try to learn. What should I do? Should I switch to another role? No, Matthew, you learn automation, you learn coding. You don't need to be a very pro in coding, but at least basics of concepts, OOPS concepts, all these Java concepts are required. So you would be able to learn them. Don't worry, Matthew. Right? Swati is asking the question, but what is the question, Swati? Where did you post the question? Priyanka is asking, I have 7 years of experience in mainframe testing. I am planning to learn Tosca. Your thoughts on Tosca, please. If not Tosca, which tool would you suggest you? So you go for Selenium or you go for Playwright, right? Mahinder is telling, can I contact Infosys? You can send them a mail or you can connect them via call, right? Or shall I wait for 1 week? Don't wait for 1 week, right? Contact them immediately, right? Mohammed, yeah, Java Selenium API is good, right? Learn APM as well, mobile automation. Okay, Swati is telling I have 4 years of experience, but after marriage, 2.5 years of gap. Should I get the job? Would I get the job due to gap? So, Swati, with 2.5 years of gap, it's difficult to get a job. So, you can showcase some remote work or some freelancing work if you would have done in that 2.5 years of gap and try after that, right? Swati? 5 years testing career. Next 5 years testing career would be good, and it would be mainly focusing on automation, automation, and automation. Right? Okay. Abhijit, should a candidate with other field experience in transitioning to QA join a startup-based company with manual testing with 3 year bond? 3 years is bond is huge. I would suggest you go with Opki company with 2 years bond. 2 lakh is fine, right? 3 years bond is huge. 2 years would go quick, right? And this Opki company, I think that is in Noida, right? So you can go for Noida. You are based out in Noida itself, right? So, Mohammed, you can try in Dubai, you can try in UK, you can try in US, Canada. There are so many success stories that we have uploaded, which the people have got the job opportunities directly, right? Uh, Kushang Saini, I have 4 years of experience, 4.5 years of experience, primarily in manual testing. Due to I have a four, I'm actively looking for a job in QR. Okay. So try in this company. I sent the earlier, right? This is a company in Pune, Bangalore, Chennai, and Hyderabad. They are looking for the people who can work, right? And this is the referral email address. You can apply to this. Okay. So there are people who are asking that they need MNC based automation testing interview questions and answers. So here is a link for that. It's a TopMate based product which you can avail here. Right. This is the MNC based interview questions along with answers. If you are looking for ATS friendly resume template, then you can use this particular link. Okay. So these are useful links of the ritual products which will help you for the test interviews preparations. Pradeep is asking, I have 3 years of experience with 15 LPA with automation testing. If I switch to another company, how can I expect and can give if I ask 23 LPA? So yeah, the 3 years of experience with 15 LPA is huge, right? Don't go for 23 LPA. Otherwise, it would be a risk. With respect to 3 years, 15 LPA is a huge amount. I would suggest you ask for 20 at the max, right? Don't go beyond that. Because if tomorrow there are some layoffs that are happening, so you will be a soft target for that particular company. Okay. So don't go for extremely high packages that would make your life a bit stressful. Yeah, HR contacts from different companies. So these are the HR contacts. You can avail this particular product. Okay, a lot of products are there on digital product. If you are looking for a package in which all the testing related interview questions, answers, Java, Python, everything is covered, then take this package. Okay, these are all products that you can use. And if you are looking for, let me assist you with some more products. Yeah. So these are based questions and answers, right? You can avail this. If you're going for testing, you'll be get questions on SQL as well. Right. Gaurav is asking, mobile testing is good for next 10 years. Yes, mobile testing would be in demand. As you can see, most of the softwares, most of the things people are using on mobile, Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, Ola, what not is there in mobile applications. Everything is in mobile. Right. Prasad, which two project to be preferred? So I would suggest you get this ATS friendly resume template with projects. Right. There are a few of the projects that we have added. You add those projects in your resume. That would be helpful for you. Okay, what uh, salary shall we expect on automation role after 8 years of experience? 8 years of experience you have, so you can expect 25 to 30 LPA, right, in Bangalore, Pune, like that, right? Azad is asking playwright or Selenium. Go for Selenium, right? Selenium is evergreen thing. Uh, Abhijit, I have gotten manual testing opportunity. Should I wait for automation or not? Go for manual, right? Join the company. Don't wait for some particular job opportunities, right? Join that company, right? What else? Okay, so I think we are good for today's session. Please hit the like button so that this live session reaches out to the maximum people, right? Maximum people can attend this live session, right? Uh, right, and we'll take last 5 questions now. Akshay, is it possible to switch after 14 years experience? Yes, Akshay, why not? You can switch, right? Kajal is asking, transitioning into QA. Currently, I completed automation course and internship. Is there any course chance to get a call as a fresher in automation? So, Kajal, you do one thing. You share your resume with us at rdautomationlearning@gmail.com, right? And we'll connect with you with respect to this career guidance mock interviews, and we'll assist you there, right? But definitely, if you have completed the course, there are a lot many opportunities with respect to fresher wherein you can apply, right? Aman, you have core Java, Selenium, API automation, DevOps, all these experience. How much salary can I expect with 6+ years of experience? You can serve in this field till 20 to 25 years more, right? And with 6+ years of experience, you can expect somewhere around 20, 18 to 22 LP. If anyone is not getting the calls, okay, Azad is looking for estate interview question. So Azad, uh, estate interview questions and answers are also available with us. So Azad, I'll share two links with you. One is this MNC based interview questions and answers. You avail this particular product. Apart from that, Azad, the SDIT testing interview questions also link I'll share with you in the chat box. So you can avail that particular product. These two products you can prepare from the automation testing perspective. Right? You'll get a lot of idea. Right? This is SDIT interview questions and answers. The questions that are asked in companies like Apple, Amazon, along with the answers as well. Right? So Azad, you can avail these two things. Okay, not getting calls, so you can avail this particular product, ATS friendly resume template with projects. You can avail this particular product, right? uh okay, Azad, if you need coding as well, then wait, let me share. So coding questions you can prepare from lead code or hacker rank website. And if you need Java related questions answers, so let me share those things with you. That is a separate product which you can avail. Right, these are Java interview questions and answers, so you can avail this particular product. Right, okay. And this is the email address anyone wants to connect. So here is the email address, right? If you are looking for career guidance things, then you can get the career guidance, mock interviews, resume review, resume preparation thing with respect to your career. So all those things you would get from the top mate itself. Okay, Aditi is asking for API testing interview questions. Yeah, so that also we have. So API testing. Let me search it and share with you. It becomes, yeah. So these are rest assured interview questions and answers. Right, Aditi. These are rest assured interview questions and answers. Okay. Uh, Aman, I'll schedule a paid call with you. Sure, Aman, you can connect from the top mate site. Right. Uh, Mayank, what is quality tech documentation control manager? It's required. Would you please show me some light? So, Mayank, I think it's more of a management related leadership role in which a lot of experience would be required. So, yes, if you do PMP certification, it would be good for you, right? Ranga, what is the scope of Java with Selenium? Definitely, it's a good scope. You, if you do that Selenium with Java thing, it would be really useful to you for your career, right? Uh, Ranga, what is the scope? Yeah. What are the other skills? So apart from Java with Selenium, you learn API automation, learn REST assured, learn Postman. That would be more useful to you, right? So I think we are good for today's session, right? We had a discussion for nearly 1 hour, right? 49 minutes, 16 seconds it is showing. 50 minutes we had, right? Thank you so much for connecting on this live session. We'll be connecting for these live sessions every Sunday whenever it's possible. Can you share Python automation interview questions and answers? Okay, sure. So let me share those questions and answers also with you. You can get all these products on TopMate. If you just search TopMate RD Automation Learning, you'll get all these things there itself. but no problem. I'll share with you, right? Yeah, Shipra is asking cloud-based certification is beneficial. Yeah, if you do some cloud-based certification, it's good. If you're having 1 or 2 years of experience, even ISTQB would be good, right? So here is a link, Akshay, for Python automation interview questions and answers for experience. You can avail this particular product, right? So that's it for today's live session. Thank you so much for connecting today, right? I'm extremely happy, and I really appreciate your presence, right? Thank you so much for showing your love, for showing your support to the channel. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best for your career as well, right? Can you share 3 years of Selenium with Java automation questions? Yeah, definitely. So I have shared it. Let me share it again. So here is a link for the same. You can purchase this Nantha from here. Yeah. Okay then. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.